If English sentences confuse you, you're not alone. But here's a secret. Most English sentences follow a simple formula. Let's break it down, step by step, like building blocks. Step 1. Start with a subject. This is the person or thing doing the action. For example, I, she, my boss, or the coffee machine. Here's an example. She is tired. Alright, so step 2 is to add the verb. What's the action or state? For example, you could use verbs like go, like work, or even is and are. Let's look at a couple of examples. You might say, she works late, or I am happy. Now, step 3 is to add the object, if it's needed. Who or what receives the action? It could be something like lunch, a report, or her friend. So, here are some examples. She made a report, I called her friend. Alright, now let's move to step 4. Add details like time, place, reason, or how. This really makes your sentence clearer and more natural. For example, you could say at 5 p.m. because I was tired, quickly, or in the office. Here are some examples with details added. She finished the report at 5 p.m. I left because I was tired. Alright, so let's look at a full sentence example. The structure is subject plus verb plus object plus detail. For example, my manager sent the email yesterday. And another one. They are watching a movie at home. Okay, so here's a common mistake to avoid: missing the subject in your sentence. For example, you should say, she is working, not just is working. Always remember to include the subject, alright? Another thing to watch out for is using the wrong verb tense. For instance, you should say, I ate lunch if you're talking about something that already happened, not I eat lunch if it's in the past. Just keep an eye on your verb tenses. English sentences really aren't a mystery. They're actually a simple structure you can build, one block at a time: subject, verb, object, and details. Start small, practice every day, and before you know it, English sentences will start to come naturally. Hey, follow us for more bite-sized tips to make English simple and speakable. See you soon.